Knock, knock. Yes? Oh, how cute! Bob! Yes? Look how cute he is. Can we keep him? Well, he doesn't seem to have a collar. I guess it's all right for now, until we find its owners. Oh, sweet! Well, I guess you're staying with us. You're so cute. I think I'll name you Tiny the Cat.